Hey, welcome back. So, today I want to talk about Shutdown.exe. It's a simple command that can be found. It's on Windows systems. I think there's a version of it that works in Linux as well, but I'm much more familiar with Windows. But what Shutdown.exe does is exactly as it sounds. It shuts down a computer, but there's a lot of useful flags that I like to use with it, and it makes my life much, much easier. So, Shutdown.exe. Now, one of the flags, if you just run it as /s, that'll send a shutdown command. It gives you, I think, about 60 seconds before it very unceremoniously just shuts down the computer. Same thing as if you go into the start menu and shut down. I think it does give you a warning message. Yeah. So, it's not capturing it, but I got this beautiful message. You are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. But I don't want to shut down because I'm recording a video. So shutdown.exe/a. And again, you can't see the notification I just got, but it says log off is canceled. The scheduled shutdown has been canceled. So shutdown.exe/s just says shut down the current computer. Give them 60 seconds to finish whatever they're working on, and then shut her down. Shutdown.exe/a says abort that. We don't want to shut down. We've changed our mind. We're in the middle of something, we can't afford to be away from it. Now, we can go a little bit further. Shutdown.exe/r does the same thing as the /s, except instead of shutdown, the R denotes restart, meaning that after your computer shuts down all the way, it'll come right back up and it'll bring you back to your login screen. What's another good one? I'm not actually going to run these because I'm in the middle of stuff right now, but how about shutdown.exe, and we're going to start chaining some of these flags. /s, we want it to shut down, and using another one, T, that is time. So then you can say how long you want it to wait before the shutdown. Let's see, I don't remember off the top of my head, but I think it counts down in seconds. So if you were to do time /t 60, that would be 60 seconds before it shuts down. So that's 1 minute. What if you wanted to wait 1 hour? So 60 times 60, 3,600. I believe that would be 1 hour, and don't hold me to it. You may want to double check the Microsoft documentation on some of these, but I know the flags are right. /s is shut down, /a is to abort it, /t is for time. And there's one more that I really like, and that one is /m. /m, I don't have an easy way to remember that one, but it means remote. So if you know the computer that you want to shut down, so maybe you're sitting up in your office or something and there's a computer out there that is having issues that you know could just be fixed with a restart. So if you do shutdown.exe/r, because we're trying to restart it, /m, because it's a remote computer, and then I believe it is 2 backslashes to denote a network location, and it would be like computer 1. And if that's what the computer name is on the network, is computer 1, it'll send that restart command to that computer. I believe it gives them, again, 60 seconds before it completes the restart, but I think you can also chain together the time flag for that as well. So you could tell them it's going to restart in an hour, 2 hours, however long you want it to be. But kind of like ping, the remote flag for M can also be done using 192.168.1.34. If you know the IP address of the computer on your network that you want to restart, you can also restart using an IP address in place of a computer name. So let's say right here, shutdown.exe, we are running something on a remote computer, but we can't stick around to look at it. But we know that as soon as once it finishes, we want to shut the computer down. So we use shutdown.exe, /s because we're shutting it down. And I'm gonna do time. Let's say this thing on average takes half an hour to complete. That would be 1,800 seconds from now. And that's going to be on a remote system. And that is Ori PC. So there you have it. I use these tools every day. It makes my life a lot easier. Just because then I don't have to stick around. Sometimes I'll kick something off to install as I'm leaving for the day, but I obviously don't want my administrator account logged in the next morning. So I'll set a shutdown command. It'll just finish at some point during the night or later on after my installation is finished. So makes my life a lot easier, and hopefully it'll make yours easier too. So thanks for checking it out. Give Shutdown.exe a shot sometime. All right, bye.